Welcome to our Wix online program series. Previously, we've learned how to create a program, and today we will be learning how to add content to your program, so let's hop right onto it. On your site's dashboard, go to the side panel and click on Online Programs. Here, you'll be able to see the programs that you've previously created. So click on the program you want to add your content to. Now scroll down until you reach the content section. By default, a section and a step will be automatically added. So you can simply choose to edit it instead of deleting it and adding a new one. So in my case, I'm going to hover over introduction and click on edit. And here we can rename our section. So go ahead and do that. And then decide if you want to enable or disable section dripping. It allows participants to complete the section on a specific day after they join the program. So if you'd like to turn it on, you can toggle this button on and then select the day, the week, and the day. But in my case, I'd like to keep it off so that it would be more convenient for my participants because it's less stressful and it's self-paced. Once you're done working on this, click on Save to save your changes. And okay, we have successfully edited our section. Now let's talk about adding a step. Step 1 is added automatically by default, so you can also just simply edit it. So click on Edit here, and then indicate your step name over here. So let's do that. And by the way, this is also where you can select a section, but by default, the section you're working on will automatically be chosen here, so yeah. And over here is where you can compose your content. Here on this box is where you can type your text content. So I'm just going to work on this quickly. All right, so by the way, this is just a sample that I got from ChatGPT, so we have some content to work on and to demonstrate. Yeah. Anyway, below is where you can see some tools to help you create your content or make it even more engaging or informative by adding some things you can add to your content over here. So let's talk about them one by one. So the first button, we have the Add an Image button. You can use this to insert an image onto your content. So let's try it out. Or you can also click on this plus button here and the same tools will appear. So I'm going to click on Add Image. I don't have any image of my own to use for now, so I'm gonna select media from Wix, but feel free to upload your own media, okay? I'm just gonna use some from Wix's library for demonstration. So I'm gonna click this one, and click on Add to Page, and it should be added here, and you can choose your size. You can also write a caption below if you want to. So there you go. Let's talk about the next tool. So the next tool is to add a gallery. So this is a great way for you to showcase a set of photos or whatever you want to display onto your content. Next, we have add a divider. So in case you have a very long content, you can actually divide it using dividers. So I'm going to click on the plus button here and click on Add a Divider. And a divider should be added just like that. All right, let's talk about the next tool. So we have the insert HTML code. So I'm just going to make some space here. So if you'd like to insert an HTML code, you can insert this here and customize it however you want. Next, we have the Add a Video button. So in case you'd like to add some video tutorials, this is where you can insert a video. You can either embed a video from YouTube or from other platforms such as Vimeo or Facebook. Simply paste the link here and then click on Embed Video, or you can upload your own video from your PC. Next, we have the Embed a Product from Wix Stores. So this is where you can embed or attach specific products onto your content if you want to. Next, we have the Embed an Event from Wix Events. So in case you'd like to embed an event that you'd like your participants to see onto your content, then this is where you can add that. So simply search for an event and then click on it and click on Embed. Next, we have Embed a Service from Wix Bookings. So if you have a service that you would like to embed or attach onto your content, this is where you can do it. Next, we have Add a Button. So in case you want to add a button, you can click this one over here. And if you like to, you can also customize it by clicking on Settings. Here you can edit what your button says. So for example, watch now. And then you can enter the link where you'd like your visitors to be taken to when they click on this button. And you can also choose to enable or disable these options here. So would you like the link to be open in a new tab? If you do, tick the checkbox, no follow, sponsored, etc. And then for the design, this is where you can change the appearance of your button according to your preferences. And once you're done working on it, don't forget to click on Save to save your changes. Next, we have the Add a Code snippet. So this is where you can, in case you'd like to attach or embed a code snippet, then this is what you want to click on. Next, we have GIF. So you can actually look for GIFs over here that you'd like to attach to your content. So let's say, and then you can also adjust the size and write a caption if you want to. I'm just going to delete that. Next, we have the Add a File. So in case you'd like to add like PDF files or Word files or Excel files, this is where you can do that. So upload your files onto Wix and then click on Add to Page for them to be added to your content. Next, we have Add a Table. So in case you need a table for visual presentation or for visuals, this is where you can add a table. So you can indicate how many columns you want and how many rows you want, and then click on Insert Table, and then you can start working on it from here. And then finally, we have the Add an Audio File. So in case you have like audio files that you want to attach to your content, this is where you can add it. You can either embed an audio file from SoundCloud or Spotify. So input the link of the audio you want to embed here and click on Embed Audio. But if you like, you can also upload your own video from your PC by clicking on Upload File over here. And once you're done working on your content, make sure to review everything so that everything is error-free. And once you're done reviewing, click on Save here to save your changes. And you'll see that you've finally finished working on your step. So in case you'd like to add a new step, just simply click on Add Step here and repeat the same process. The same goes for adding a section. If you want to add a new section or kind of like a new chapter, select Add Section over here and basically do what we did earlier. And basically, that's it. That's how you add content to your program. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you found today's video of help somehow. Stay tuned for more tutorials about Wix programs on this very same playlist. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.